So good afternoon. Second year Bcom Computer Applications, Semester 4, Web Technologies, Unit 1. So basics, introduction. So in this PPT, we are learning about all the basics. All the basics about HTML programming. So what are the learning objectives of this PPT means? The meaning and use of the hypertext terms. Use HTML tags. How to use to structure a document means how to use HTML tags or commands. Use HTML tag attributes means what are HTML tags and what are HTML attributes, and use HTML tag to link to other files. So how to use HTML tags to link other files, and explain the differences between absolute and relative parentheses. Use cascading style sheets. So cascading style sheets are in second unit. So right now we discuss about only HTML basics and web pages. So what are web pages and web applications? Web pages are created, stored and sent in encoded form. A browser can convert them to what we see on the screen. Hypertext markup language HTML is the main language used to define how a web page should look. Features like background color, font and layouts are specified in HTML. So all these are the basics. So HTML pages, web pages are created, stored and used to write some web applications or websites, designing and using websites. So what is a browser? A browser is a software or a tool. A browser is a small tool or a software which is used to run or view the web pages. HTML is the main language used to write some scripts, define writing various web pages and marking up with HTML. So the words on a web page are embedded in hidden format by hidden format, that is tags. So generally in HTML the commands are written. Generally in HTML the commands are written in within the tags, and these tags are called as HTML tags or HTML commands. We use HTML and there are some other parts of the original. XHTML is another scripting language which is not required and used in our syllabus. So what are formatting tags, or how to use formatting, how to do formatting with HTML tags? So in first unit we have the first essay type question is called as formatting tags. The first essay type question is called as formatting tags. So formatting with, how to do formatting with tags. So what is the formatting? Formatting means like applying some changes or applying some changes to the text or page. So formatting is generally like a bold, italic, underline, like that. So tags are words or abbreviations enclosed in angle brackets. So generally all the HTML tags are written in between two angle brackets. Many tags come in pairs. So as we discussed in the previous class, HTML tags are two types: singular open tags are a singular tag, and double tags are doublet tags. Singular tags have only one tag, and the double tags have two tags, one for opening and another for closing, or one for opening and starting and another for closing tag. The closing tag is written with some slash and all. The second of the pair comes with a slash. So HTML is not so restrictive, means HTML is not case sensitive. Not case sensitive means we can write HTML scripts and HTML programs in any way, either in uppercase or lowercase or in combination of both. In any way we may write HTML programs. The tag pair surrounded the text to be formatted like parentheses. So formatting with text. So this is the example for using some title tag. What is the syntax of title tag? Title, some text, slash title. These tags can be read as this is where the title starts and this is where the title ends. Title is referred to as a start or open tag. Slash title is the end or close tag. Generally paired tags or double-ended tags in HTML are written in two ways, two forms. In the first tag it is written as beginning tag, and in the last tag should be end tag or closing tag with we are using with some slash symbol. So one for the beginning or a start tag, and the second one is called as for end or closing tag. The title appears on the title bar. So what is the use of title tag? Title tag is nothing but it is generally used in header section of the HTML program. So that is within head and slash head, and title tags is generally used to give a page title. Title tag is generally used to give a page title to any HTML page. So tags for bold and italic. So how to use bold and how to use italic characters. Generally these tags are also called as, all these are called as formatting tags or standard formatting tags. So these generally works on or operates on some text or words only. So in this slide we may use bold and italic tags. So these two are also two standard formatting tags. So HTML has the following tags. Bold means B, I means italic, B for bold, I for italic, P for paragraph, U for underline. All these are called as standard formatting tags or formatting tags or text formatting tags. B for bold. The syntax is B/B. All these tags are double-ended tags or double tags. So B means bold. Syntax is B/B. Second one is I for italic. I for italic. What is italic? What is B? What is bold? Bold means to display some characters in bold manner. To display or show the characters in bold manner means thick characters. I means italic. What is italic? Italic means some curved characters. Some curved characters are called as italic. And P tag. What is P tag? P tag means paragraph tag. P tag means to begin a new paragraph or no new page in a HTML page. So P/P means P tag means paragraph tag, and U means underline. What is U tag? Underline tag. To underline some text, to apply some underline, or to apply some underline, or to display some text with underline is called as U tag. U means underline. So more than one kind of formatting can be used as at a time. So we can use formatting tags, multiple formatting tags. So we can use multiple formatting tags means more than once or more than one tag can be used at a time, like bold, italic, underline, P, like that. So we can use more than one tag at a time to write or to use HTML programs. So example is P, B, I, some code, some character /I/B/B. Next is, it doesn't matter in which order you start the tags. Italics follows bold or bold follows italic. Means in HTML programs we may use the tags, we may use and write the tags in any order. Means we may use bold as first and italic as second, or italic as first and bold as second, in any order, but you get the same result. The result is same. The rule is to make sure that tags nest correctly, they should mirror each other. So here the condition of the rule is they should match exactly, means the inner tags. The inner tag should be closed. The inner tag should be closed first, then the outer tags. Means all the inner tags should be closed before closing the outer tags. All the tags between a starting tag and its ending tag should be matched. Means matching of the tags is also important. Next is singleton tags. Singleton tags means, as we already discussed earlier, HTML tags are two types. Single tags are singleton tags, and double tags are double-ended tags. Single tags have only one tag. Single tag have only one tag within it, and double-ended tag or a double-ended tag have two tags with them, one for beginning or one for opening and another for closing. So what are singleton tags? A few tags are not paired, means single tags. Not paired tags are generally called as single tags, and they do not have a matching ending tag, and for those tags the closing tag, closing angle bracket of the singleton tag is represented by slash in HTML. So example in HTML is HR. HR is another tag. HR is another important tag. What is HR? HR is horizontal rule. So in HTML, to draw or to write a line, it is we may use HR tag in HTML. To draw or write a line, we may use HR tag. What is HR? HR means horizontal rule. HR is a single tag or a singleton tag, means we may use only one tag for it. And BR means line break or break. BR tag or BR means line break or break tag. So BR continues the text to the next. So BR tag is, what is BR tag? BR tag is used to break a long line of text into multiple parts, and BR is also a singleton tag, means the syntax is BR. HR means horizontal rule. HR means horizontal rule, and BR means break or line break. So more formatting tags. So documents can be formatted in many ways. So what are the formatting tags so far we discussed are bold, italic, underline. P means paragraph tag, and HR means horizontal rule, BR means line break, and H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 are heading tags, and title tag is also used to give some titles to the page. So each formatting feature requires its own tag. Programmers and web designers need to remember a few common tags. Uncommon tags can be looked up. For example, so this is the simple example. Of what are the different formatting tags. What are the in the right side panel we may see in different formatting tags. Bold means it big. Big is another formatting tag. Emphasized is another formatting tag. Italic is another formatting tag. Small is another formatting tag. Strong, subscript, superscript, typewriter, shortcut, all these are formatting tags. So on the left hand side you may see some program, HTML sample program with using all the formatting tags. So here we may use HTML head title tags, after that body tag, after that P means paragraph tag, after that we may use some P or paragraph tag. So here we may use B/B means bold, and BR tag means line break, big/big. Big means big, to display some text in big fonts. EM means emphasized. EM means emphasized font. I means italic. I means italic font. Small means to display some small text in small letters. Strong means to display some text in strong characters. Sub, what is sub? Sub and slash sub. Sub means subscript tag. What is, there are two concepts. One is subscript and second one is superscript. Subscript means, what is subscript? To display some text, to display some character. What is subscript? To display some character above some another character. And superscript, that is superscript. Subscript means to display some character below another character. So here we use two tags, sub and slash sub. Sub and slash sub. Sub means subscript, sub slash sub, and superscript sup means superscript. And next is tt. Tt means teletype or typewriter, and q means uh, quotes. So all these are the formatting tags, basic formatting tags. So bold, italic, bold, italic, underline, horizontal rule, big, emphasized, italic, small, strong, subscript, superscript, typewriter. All these are the basic formatting tags. Next is required tags. So what are the required tags or mandatory tags used in HTML programs? So in a basic HTML program or in a basic HTML code, some tags are necessary to write. Some tags are very required or compulsory to be used. So every web page is composed of So required tags. So what are the minimal required tags or minimum compulsory tags or mandatory tags to write any HTML program? So every web page is composed of a head and body tag. So every HTML program should contain or must contain head and body tag, head and body slash body tags. There are three HTML tags required for every web page. First one is head and slash head. Second one is body and slash body. Third one is HTML and slash HTML. So head and slash head enclose the head. Body and slash body enclose the body. HTML and slash HTML to enclose those two parts. So these three are mandatory, or these three are compulsory tags. These three are compulsory tags to be included in every HTML program. So this is the simple example of a HTML structure of a HTML program. So this is the structure of a HTML program. So what is the structure of the HTML? So first point is all HTML programs are case sensitive. All HTML programs are case sensitive. Means we may write not case sensitive. Means we may write or write the HTML programs either in lowercase or in uppercase or in combination of them. Means we can use both lowercase as well as uppercase. So what are the required tags? Means what is the syntax or what is the syntax of HTML program? Means first head slash head. Within head we may use title tag, title slash title, some content and slash head. So this is the syntax of the head tags. So the head section contains, so in the first class only we may discuss about the sections or different sections of HTML program or different parts of HTML program. So the every HTML program is divided into different sections. First one is called as some remarks or comment section. Second one is some heading sections. Third one is some body section. Fourth one is some coding section. So the head section contains the beginning material like the title and other information that applies to the whole page. So generally the head section contains all the information about the page titles and headings, page headings like top heading, second heading. As we know that there are 6 headings are there, h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. So the head section generally contains page title and 6 headings, h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. H1 is the largest or bigger heading, and H6 is the small heading or smallest in size. And body section, second part of HTML program is called as the body section. The body section is written or included in body tag, written within the body tag. So the body section generally written in within the body and slash body tags. The body section contains the content of the page. Generally the body section contains all the text and the titles and the animations, pictures, graphics, images, and some links, some tables, some headings, all these things, audio, video files, and everything. So the body section contains the content of the HTML page. Content means the information. What is the content? Content is generally called as information. So the body section is contains some content of the information. So this HTML head body form must always be followed. So every HTML program should follow the same pattern. HTML, first is HTML, second one is head, third one is body. All of these tags are required. So all these are mandatory and required tags. So this is the example of the body section. The main content of the page goes here. So next is configure your computer for writing HTML page. So how to write and how to use HTML programs in any computer. Check that two programs are installed. So to write or to use HTML we may require two softwares. First one is called any browser is required, like Internet Explorer and Google Chrome or Netscape Navigator or anything. Second one is some text editor like Notepad or WordPad and everything. So to write and to use to code HTML programs, we may use these two. First one is a browser and a text editor. Both programs are free. So either browser or Notepad, both are free to use. These programs are preferred for technical reasons. Next is Firefox. So not only we may use any editor, any browser, not only Firefox, there are many other browsers are also there, like Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, and like that. Mozilla Firefox is default, or it is also one of the browser used. Firefox is a free open source browser, and open source means that the program code is publicly available and any programmer can contribute. So text editor. So what is a text editor? Generally a text editor is a basic way to process text. Example is Notepad. Our word processors are called what you see is what you get, or WYSYWIG. Word processors include many application specific information in the files. This information, so text editor, you must use a text editor to write HTML. So to write any HTML programs, we require some text editor like Notepad. Text editor do not include this extra information. Browsers like their files. Browsers want web pages written in ASCII characters only. Text editor figure out what language you are writing and color code your HTML to make it easier to read. Operating system comes with text editors installed and so generally all operating systems comes with own text editors like Notepad, and browsers like Windows Explorer and Google Chrome and like that. And to use and run, to code and use and run any HTML program, there are no special softwares are required, like there are no special compilers, translators are required. All browsers inbuilt have their own translators, so that we may use any browser to compile and run HTML programs. So how to create. Next is, in this slide we may use or we may explain about how to create any HTML program, how to save it, and how to open it, how to run it on a browser, like that. So to produce your first HTML page, follow these instructions. In your text editor, open a new document and carefully type your text, title, /title, head and p tags. Save the file as some file name.html. So open the file with the Firefox browser. So how to create, save, run HTML editors? So first one of all, you have to open run and open notepad. In the notepad you have to type some sample HTML program and save it, save as it with some file name with extension .html. So by default all the HTML programs are having .html or .htm extensions. So save your HTML program, save your HTML program on your desktop or anything HTML. So while saving your HTML program, the program is automatically converted into browser icons. So to run your first HTML program, you may simply double click on it. You may simply double click on your file name, as your file name is given as abc.html or htm. So you simply double click on your HTML program to run it on any browser. So this is the sample program and sample output. So open with double click. So how to run a HTML program? How to run a HTML program? So as HTML is written, files must be opened in two applications: the text editor to make changes, the browser to see the changes made. Double click on the file to open it with the default application, it is your browser. So while using HTML or while writing HTML programs, you require two phases. First one is some editor like Notepad to edit or to change your HTML program, and second one is some browser. So first one is called as editing part and second one is called as running part. So to run any HTML program, simply double click on your icon or your program, and the program will be opened or run on any browser like Google Chrome or Firefox. And Notepad is used to change to apply some changes or to do some changes or to change your HTML program. And again, after applying some changes or after doing some changes, you have to save it. You have to save the file, and again you have to run the file from the browser. So save this page. So all HTML files have the same structure as the some abc.html file just created. Use it as a template for future HTML code. Set up a new folder. So every HTML programs by default have extension .html. So every HTML programs have by default have an extension .html or .html, So how to use headings? What are headings and how to use headings in HTML? So documents tend to have HTML provides several levels of heading tags. So HTML programs or HTML code have different header section. So what is header section? Head/head. So HTML programs have different sections like remark section or comment section, header section, body section, like that. So your header section contains all the definitions of your headings. So HTML programs have different headings like h1 and /h1, h2/h2, like that. There are 6 headings. 6 different headings are used: h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. So h1 is the top most heading, and h2 is the second heading, h3 is the third heading, and so on. So h6 is the last level heading. So h1 is the largest heading or a bigger heading, Headings are bold and get less strong, and headings display content in a new line. Generally, every heading starts with a new line. So these are the basic tags used for any HTML programs. So title tag. What is title tag? Title slash title. Title tag is used to give some titles to your page. And heading tag or head tag. Head slash head. Head slash head. Header tags or heading tags are generally used to give some headings, page headings. Body tag. Body tag is the main tag or main part of the page. Body tag is the main part of the page. Generally, body tag contains all the contents like some text, some animations, pictures, graphics, images, and like that. P tag. What is P tag? Paragraph tag. Means in HTML, if you want to start with a new paragraph, we may use some P tag. P slash P. What is P? Means paragraph, new paragraph tag. HR. HR means horizontal rule. HR means horizontal rule to display or to draw a new horizontal line. What is HR tag? HR means to draw or to display some new horizontal line. Means generally we use some text, write some text, and after in the next line we may draw some line. So in that cases we may use HR tag. What is HR tag? To display. HR tag means to display some horizontal rule or horizontal ruler on the page. B means bold tag. B slash B. I means italic. I means italic. And A means, what is A? A means anchor tag. A means anchor tag. What are anchors? Anchors means links. Anchors are generally also called as links or web links or HTML links. So links are generally created in HTML with a href tag. Generally in HTML we may create links or web links or page links with some ahref tag. What is ahref? Means anchor tag. Next is imgsrc tag. What is imgsrc? Means image source. Generally images like pictures, some pictures like jpg files, jpeg files, and other type of pictures like bmp files. Generally all types of images or pictures are used or uploaded with imgsrc tag. That means image source. br tag means line break. What is br tag? Br tag means line break, to insert or to give some line break in a HTML program, or to start a new line in a HTML program. Another tag is p tag. What is p tag? Means paragraph tag. Another regularly used tag is p tag, to start a new paragraph. P means to start a new paragraph or to begin a new paragraph in HTML is called as p tag. P means paragraph. So we begin with another PPT. So we start with another PPT here. So text formatting. Formatting means what is a formatting, and what are the different types of formatting tags are used, and how to use formatting. Means formatting, they are called as formatting tags. So we revise about formatting tags. So there are 5 basic formatting tags are used. 6 formatting tags. There are 6 formatting tags are used. First one is B tag. What is B? B means bold, means to display some text in bold manner or thick manner. Second one is italic. Italic means to display some text in curved manner or curved text. Third one is underline. Underline means to display some text or words or sentences with underline symbol beneath them. Fourth one is P tag. P tag means paragraph tag, to start a new paragraph or to begin a new paragraph. BR means break, line break, or sir, me start అవుతుంది సార్. మీరు స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు సార్. ఆపేస్తాను సార్, 2 minutesలో ఆపేస్తాను. 40 minutes అయిపోయింది, 2 minutes మీరు చేసుకోండి సార్ అంతే. సో BR 2 minutes సార్. BR means line break. So how to change fonts, how to set and how to change the fonts. So in HTML we may set or change the fonts by using font tag. So the syntax is font face is equals to within quotes some font name. So there are many fonts are available, like Arial black, narrow, like that, and every font have 2 parts, font name and font size. Generally the font size is a number in between some 2 to 72. So font tag is used to set or change the fonts with their size also. The syntax is font name, font face is equals to with equal to some font name and slash font. Similarly font some size is equals to some number slash font. So similarly we can use colors, we can use some font colors or text colors along with fonts also. The syntax is font color is equal to within quotes some color code. So basically there are 15 colors are available. In HTML we may use 2 types of colors, either color code or color name. Color names are generally red, white, cyan,